you're experiencing an installation loop on your Xbox Series X, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back to gaming in no time. Step 1. Power cycle your console. Turn off your Xbox Series X completely by holding the power button for about 10 seconds until it shuts down. Unplug the power cable from the back of the console and wait for at least 10 seconds before plugging it back in and turning it on. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by testing your network settings in the Xbox settings menu. If there are issues, try resetting your router or connecting via a wired connection. Step 3. Clear the cache. To clear the cache, power off your console and unplug it. Press and hold the power button for 10 seconds to drain any residual power. Plug it back in and turn it on. This can help resolve temporary software issues. Step 4. Remove and reinstall the game. If a specific game is causing the installation loop, navigate to My Games and Apps, find the game, and select Manage Game. From there, choose to uninstall the game. After uninstalling, reinstall it from your library or the Microsoft Store. Step 5. Reset your console. If the problem persists, consider resetting your console. Go to Settings, System, Console Info, Reset Console. You can choose to keep your games and apps or remove everything. Choose the option that best suits your needs. If you follow these steps, you should be able to resolve the installation loop issue on your Xbox Series X. If problems continue, consider reaching out to Xbox support for further assistance. Happy gaming!